How activity scoring stretches your marketing budget. As a great marketer, your advertising brings in a lot of leads, but do you know how many of those leads become customers? And which marketing efforts generate the most qualified leads? If you treat all leads as equal, you could be wasting money. Scoring gives marketers the data on which marketing efforts are bringing in the best and most qualified leads in sales. CTM activity scoring lets agents assign star ratings, add tags, choose from drop-down selections, mark conversions, and include a conversion amount. One customer reported, "In 3 years, we've seen a 52% increase in donations, and without CTM, we wouldn't have been able to properly optimize for maximum donations while minimizing ad spend." How do businesses use activity scoring? Sales and purchase intent. Tag calls based on their position in the customer journey by focusing on words at each stage of the funnel. Mark a call as converted when an agent requests credit card information. Lead scoring. Use your ideal customer profile to score leads automatically based on industry and job function terms used in conversation. Customer satisfaction. Easily tag calls for customer satisfaction review, follow-up, and reporting. The score and sales data can be mapped into platforms like Salesforce, Google Ads, Google Analytics, and HubSpot to optimize campaign performance. Go to calltrackingmetrics.com to learn more.